So let's not talk about biceps. So what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Thursday. What an amazing time to be alive, right? Coinbase IPO'd yesterday and just blowing out of the water. IPO'd at $250 a share, opened at $381 a share, hit highs of $429, and I'm going to keep this super short and sweet because I really didn't give you guys a direct answer. Is Coinbase a good investment right now? This is 100% just my opinion. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section, but let me know if you agree, and if you do, drop a thumbs up. I think Coinbase is setting the standard for all the barriers that cryptocurrency is setting as of right now. And trying to create. I think there are many more wannabe Coinbases to come. One of the things that I want you to take into consideration is we're all about investing into the future more now than ever before. Tech is such a big focus, especially with this millennial foundation of investors, right? We've seen it with GME, we've seen it with AMC, we've seen it with Tesla. Coinbase is a new era. And the really great thing about this is that although I do think Coinbase can make a great investment, take into consideration at the peak of the valuation of $429 a share for Coinbase, its market cap valuation was $112 billion. That's more than Goldman Sachs. Just to put that into perspective. You can comment down below what you want. I'm just sharing my opinion. I think Coinbase is, if I'm not mistaken, the world's largest wallet, crypto wallet. And it's, although maybe not the best in your opinion, as I've heard there's Binance and there's many more alternatives out there, I think this is really just setting the tone. And although I think Coinbase can make an amazing investment long term, I just think right now, because of the timing, it's not the right time to invest. I think it's overvalued based off of current price levels. I think there's so much hype behind crypto with altcoins, with NFTs. I've never seen so much attention and acceptance of crypto, not just with crypto itself, but all these different alternatives of BitClout and all these different things that people are creating that we know have no actual value, but the hype is there. And Dogecoin is a perfect example. Who's excited for it to break, 2 cents a share?
20 cents.
20 cents. I don't know if it's 20 cents or I don't know if it's 2 cents, but it's absolutely, just killing everything else. And let's be honest, does anyone actually think that Dogecoin is a valuable coin? No, but this is a true example of something that just shows us how much something can be either, I don't want to call it manipulated, but how easily something can get validated by a large mass of people as long as they stand behind that specific coin. And although Coinbase is, again, the first one to IPO in comparison to very big and established crypto wallets, I think one of the very exciting things about Coinbase is that it's simply setting the standard for all the other ones to come. I do think that Coinbase can make an amazing investment, but myself and what I plan to do is I currently think it's overvalued. And the reason why is just in comparison to much larger and more well-established platforms and brokerages, Coinbase shot it out of the water. And I think because of that hype and because of that overreaction, it is overvalued as of right now. I'm very excited to eventually invest in Coinbase. I just don't think it's the best investment right now at this current price point. And again, if you disagree, comment down below, and I would love to learn more about why at $320 a share, you think it makes a great investment right now. I think for the next couple of months to come, due to the hype, and if the hype slowly begins to die out, we will see Coinbase really begin to correct itself to its true value. And then once we begin to experience its consecutive earning reports, that's one of the things that I'm most excited for a true valuation of Coinbase where I can actually make sense of investing in it. And again, like we've said before, nothing in life worth having should ever come easy, and the stock market is no exception. So I think patience is definitely going to be a virtue when it comes down to our long-term investments in the crypto space. So I'm super excited to follow up with it. Wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update on the overall day. Made a little bit over $2,000 profit, and yes, Coinbase was a part of that. I did short Tesla for a part of it as well. And again, I'm trading as of right now with a much smaller dollar amount, about $50,000. So therefore, making $2,000 $2,000 profit. That's a 4% growth return on the day. And again, I'm someone that doesn't normally short. So yesterday I made $4,000 profit, which is 8%. Today I made 4%. And that's in comparison to when I was trading with over $1 million, or investing with over $1 million, there's a big difference, right? So I'm super excited to jump back in and jump in back aggressive. But I think it's really great with a much smaller dollar amount to test these new markets for me. So I'm super excited to follow up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about Coinbase. And don't forget to stay connected. I'd love for you to tune on into our live trading session tomorrow at Market Open, like we do every single day. And if you want to tune on in, click the first link down in the description, and we'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Until then, like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.